Oh, hey there. Welcome back. Got a special treat for y'all today. I'm out here at my buddy Steve and fishing with a legend. Ain't that right? Looky there.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Father, son, back together, doing some fishing. We're gonna rip some lips, so stick with us. See what we can do. Already?
He tried to eat my line. He tried to eat my line after,
Oh,
and
man.
then my frog went right over me. Sucked her in.
Nice. Nice. Top water action?
The frog fishing.
Nice. I gotta get my line out there in the damn water. I don't know if I'm gonna get past these weeds. Just a little guy. Oh, well, would you looky there? Yeah, pretty one too. On a popper. Not a bad size. Pretty. Very pretty. I think it's another bluegill. On a popper. And they're not bad sized ones either. Hey, I'll take it. It's fish, right? Man, I had them hooked on the nose.
Yeah, they were biting my frog.
Bluegill are aggressive today. Go on, buddy, swim off. Go on. It's another bluegill. I think so too. Man, they're good size too. Too bad we weren't doing a catch, cook, and clean. Beautiful. Beautiful. You on him? Oh, hey. Sure did. He's running at me. Sure didn't. Sure didn't. Missed him. I suck today. I suck today. Good one? Yeah. Well, hopefully we can get some bigger ones. Heck yeah. Yeah. Ah. Oh yeah, easily.
He's gonna be big fish. Look how big his mouth is. Compared to his body, this is gonna be a really big fish. Got good genetics. He's a pretty big
Yeah,
fish.
he is. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh,
Pretty good.
nice. Good job, man.
Take a picture.
Biggest one yet.
Yeah. You got that scale? Oh, car.
It's at the car. I'm about to go get the car.
It's all right. Sweet.
Hell yeah. I think I am gonna go get the car. Smells like success.
That's a good fish.
Yeah,
A
it is.
time. As soon as he hit it, I knew it was healthy too.
The old H-bomb baits a whirl here. Yeah, we did. He's a little guy, but hey, we'll take him, right? Like to find a giant. Little guy. Go be somebody. H-bomb baits got her done. Oh, H-bomb baits gonna hit her again. Little guys. Yep. Just tiny little guys. We'll take them though. Oh, and he had to mess up my bait, man. Got one. Not bad. Bigger. Boat flip?
Yeah, so from this angle, there's another little like island right there too. I don't know if you can see it.
Right in here is where he told me I should have been for ice fishing for crappies.
Yeah. There's another little island right out there too. I don't know if you can see it, but I know I can. Are you swimming that or jigging it?
Swimming it.
Slowly?
Yeah, average. Oh, he's missing a leg. All right.
You see that little island that's up there too?
Yeah. Yeah, actually I do.
That's probably where it's the best fish in the world. Or it used to be. Another one?
Crappie.
Oh, three species. That's a nice one.
That is a nice one.
Like a black crappie.
Come back and catch you in the wintertime, buddy.
That's three species for the day. You caught three, I've only caught one.
Nice looking crappie.
Black crappies are really pretty too.
Yeah, I like them. Another crappie. I think they're on that shelf. I think they're on that shelf.
Are you reeling it when you catch them or what?
Yeah.
That's a black crappie.
I'm gonna be honest, this is the first time I ever caught a second time now, today, catching crappies on a lizard.
That's a black crappie. It's pretty common.
Yeah.
I like the black crappie. Look. You were swimming it?
Yeah.
This is probably
Come right across that. I come right across that shelf. All right.
How much is that though?
Something.
Probably a lot of
Yeah. See? Is that another crappie?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. There he is.
That was a white
I
one.
was gonna say he looked a lot more whiter. Got them both in here.
Drag's not set. Little guy.
Little guy, I think I got more weeds than I got fish.
Yeah. Oh look, he's got it. Oh, he got it. Oh, it's too small. I couldn't get it all in his mouth. He was like holding on to it.
Just a little guy. Look, I got it all wrapped up on my pole. This is seriously it.
Dave, we don't have much time, Dad. We don't have much time. What time is the what's it called close?
3.
Oh, done?
Yeah.
You up yet?
Huh?
You up yet? I'm gonna say I'm gonna release one.
Yeah.
We got the most species though.
Yeah, I only caught about 4 bass. Should we rig up now?
Yeah, actually. I'm gonna put the nether on. I'm gonna put on the feet on bait.
Should I put on an Ed rig?
That's what I'm putting on.
I think I'm gonna rig both my poles, take them both with me.
Put a beetle spin on and a nether. Or a tiny little square door.
That's what I was thinking, like a beetle spin or.
Glue bit.